Dear first year students, today's lesson about is the exercises of the first unit. Now I'll start from page number 10. The first one is vocabulary. Read each word and underline the silent letter. Consult pronunciation key in authentic dictionary if in doubt. Now there is no doubt. In the first one, the word is receipt. The silent word is P. Here P is silent. Doubt, B is silent. Known, G is silent. Halves, L is silent. Next is whale, W is silent. Wrong, W is silent. Ballet, T is silent. Excerpt, P is silent. Align, G is silent. Wednesday, D is silent. Castle, T is silent. Thumb, B is silent. Rendezvous, S is silent. No, K is silent. Guest, U is silent. Sword, W is silent. Now consult a dictionary and mark which syllable is to stress in the following words. That's reception, comparison, potato, bedroom, 14, 40, delicious, playful. Exercise A, page 10 says, circle the abstract noun in each sentence. A noun which cannot be touched. Noun is a name of a name, place, thing, anything. Naming word for any feeling. Now, a noun which cannot be touched is known as an abstract noun. The definition of an abstract noun is any noun which cannot be touched. The first sentence says, I respected the honesty my friend showed. Now, here the noun, the abstract noun in this sentence is honesty. You can feel the honesty of a person, but you cannot touch it. Can you believe that woman's brilliance? Here the abstract noun is brilliance. Page number 11. Number 3. To my delight, everyone arrived on time. Here the abstract noun is delight. Number 4. She was in great despair when she lost her phone. Here the abstract noun is the word despair, unhappiness. Number 5, we have a lot of hope for the future. In the sentence, hope is the abstract noun. Underline the word hope. Number 6, they showed extreme joy when they helped others. Here, the abstract noun is joy. Number 7, the men had much bravery on the battlefield. The abstract noun is the word bravery. Number 8, my mother always shows great compassion for her children. The abstract noun over here is the word compassion. Number 9, we have a ton of pride in our school. Here the abstract noun is pride. Next exercise B, write a sentence with each abstract noun given below. The first word is love and the sentence for it I have made is her love for her children is limitless. Pleasure, another abstract noun, she finds pleasure in reading. Calm, she is a calm and quiet lady. Despair, he was in great despair at his uncle's death. Number 5, truth, please always speak the truth. These are all abstract noun words being used in sentences. Next is tell whether the following nouns are countable or not. Take the correct option and use these nouns in sentences. Sentences you can form yourself. I'll just give you examples. Confusion is uncountable. You cannot count confusion. Roof, you can count roofs. These are countable. Traffic, uncountable. Lots of traffic. Behavior, uncountable. Knife, countable. Yes, you can count knives. Cutlery is uncountable. Freedom is uncountable. Mouth is countable. You can count mouths. Peace is uncountable. Confusion, there was a lot of confusion in the class. Roof, the bird was sitting on the roof. Traffic, there was a lot of traffic on the road. Pain, he had severe pain in his kidney. Behavior, his behavior was very bad. Knife, I have a set of knives in my kitchen. Cutlery, she showed me her cutlery. Now you can't count all the cutlery. Freedom, he was part of the freedom movement. Mouth, he put the toffee in his mouth. Peace, there is going to be a peace walk in Islamabad. Next is exercise D. Each of these sentences contain a collective noun. Now, one word being used for a number of people is known as a collective noun. The definition of a collective noun is when there are many people and you use one word to explain them, that noun is known as a collective noun. Identify and then use each collective noun in your own sentences. The first sentence is keys, marbles and rubber bands were just a few of the things in the pile of objects in his drawer. The one word being used is pile. Number 2, pile is the collective noun. Number 2, the boys decided to join the Navy after graduation. Navy is a collection of people who join the Navy, and then there are like the Army, the Air Force. Number 3, after the performance, all the actors joined hands and bowed towards the audience. Now, audience is a collective number of people sitting in front of a program and watching that program. They are known as an audience. Page number 12. The team celebrated heartily after scoring a winning goal. Here the collective noun is the word team. Next is most of the students on the council are also on the honor roll. Council is the collective noun. Number 6, the boat's crew worked all night to stop the leak. Now the word crew is being used for all the 10-15 people who were working on the boat. Number 7, the talent show featured several individual performers along with 3 bands. Now performance is a group of people performing together, and band is a group of people performing a musical event. Number 8, our extended family includes great grandparents and second cousins. Now family is a word being used for lots of people together. Number 9, all of the students are attending a school assembly on Friday. Now school assembly is a collection of all the students of all classes standing together. Number 10, the Senate will be voting on 3 education funding bills tomorrow. Senate is a collection of all the technocrats or bureaucrats together. They sit in a room and they decide certain laws and bills, pass some bills. Number 11, the teachers and administrators held a meeting in the faculty office. Faculty is one word being used for all the teachers and administrators. Number 12, the sheep clustered in a tight flock to ward off the cold weather. Flock is one word being used for many. Exercise E. Complete the following sentences using appropriate collective noun from the list below. Some of the collective nouns may be used more than once. Now the first one is a swarm of locusts attacked a herd of cattle. I'll repeat it again. A swarm of locusts attacked a herd of cattle. For locusts, the collective noun is swarm, and for cattle, the collective noun is herd. Number 2, a flock of birds is always a beautiful sight. When birds fly together, they are known as a flock. Number 3, they welcomed the chief guest with a bouquet of flowers. Lots of flowers together bound by a string or a ribbon are known as a bouquet. Number 4, as we drove down the countryside, we saw a flock of sheep. Many sheep together are known as a flock of sheep grazing in the fields. Number 5, the gang of thieves. When many thieves are together, they are known as a gang. The gang of thieves has been arrested by the police. Number 6, there we saw a man carrying a bundle of clothes on his head. Now lots of clothes together is known as a bundle of clothes. Number 7, a band of musicians was hired to perform at the party. Lots of musicians together is known as a band. Number 8, my friend has a fine collection of old stamps. Lots of stamps together are known as a collection. Interact with the text and find out some abstract and uncountable nouns and use them in your own sentences. Now we have learnt in this chapter collective nouns, abstract nouns. These are very important part of grammar.